What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we have to talk about Shopify. So I'm in Robinhood right now. I'm looking at Shopify, and it is currently trading around $644. So a couple of months ago, it wasn't trading that high. So let's look at if you want to look at the monthly gain. So over the past month, it's gained over 52%. So that is insane. And over the past year, it's gained 186%. So I'm definitely getting Tesla vibes from Shopify. Just like how Tesla was competing with companies like Ford and GM, Shopify is competing with Amazon. So what exactly is Shopify? For those who don't know, so Shopify is an online platform that allows users to create their own online stores. So these online stores are going to come with payment processing. They're going to come with inventory processing and tracking, and they'll also come with shipping. So they're doing everything in-house. So they're not outsourcing, a bunch of stuff. So that means they're saving money. They don't have to pay anyone else. And I think a basic subscription for Shopify is about $30 a month, but they do have a 30-day free trial that a lot of users tend to use. So I don't know if you've seen a lot of people that do drop shipping on YouTube. There's a lot of videos on that, and a lot of people make a lot of money from that, and usually it doesn't take you 30 days to make money from drop shipping. So people would take advantage of this 30-day trial. For the past month, Shopify has extended that 30-day free trial into a 90-day free trial. So that's insane. So that's just going to get more users. So you can only imagine if Shopify was able to attract users, by giving them a 30-day free trial. Now they're giving a 90-day free trial. So that's even more users. So I think that's a smart move. And one of the newest things that Shopify invested in is an app. And this app looks a lot like Amazon, but it's not the same. This app basically brings all your favorite online stores into one platform, and then it's easier to shop that way. I'll probably do a video going in detail on the app. Most of Shopify's growth came from Q4 of 2019. That's when things started taking off. So the analysts were expecting Shopify to have an earnings per share of 24 cents, but Shopify ended with 43 cents per share. And also revenue jumped 47% year over year to about $505 million. And analysts had expected $482 million. Just from those numbers, you can see that Shopify has been beating all those estimates, which is really good for the company. That is pretty much what Tesla was doing a couple months ago. And they're estimating that Shopify's revenues are going to be somewhere between $2.13 billion to $2.16 billion. Since Shopify has been beating these estimates, I would guess that it's going to be higher than that. And Shopify explains that this growth came from holiday sales. They made $2.9 billion between Black Friday and Cyber Monday, which was about 61% up compared to 2018. So I started doing my research on Shopify, so I was reading a lot of articles, and a lot of them were suggesting that Shopify is now the second largest e-commerce retailer in the US, passing eBay and right behind Amazon. Will Shopify pass Amazon? I don't think it will, but I think it will get close. I think it's on its way to being the next Amazon or being the second Amazon. Alright, so the question is, do you buy it or do you sell it? So you can look at Tesla. So a lot of people didn't buy Tesla because it was at an all-time high, and what happened? It kept going up. So the more it went up, the more they didn't buy it because they felt like that point was the all-time high and it was going to start declining, but it just kept going up. So this is the same thing that I'm seeing with Shopify. I think it's going to keep going up. And a lot of people are going to miss out because, they're going to think it's at an all-time high and it's going to start going down, so there's no reason to invest into it. So I think this is more of people that like to day trade or swing trade. So those people might be interested in Shopify. But if you are a long-term investor, someone who wants to hold it for the next 5-10 years, I would suggest waiting for the price to settle. If you look at Tesla, it was close to $1,000 and now it's at $795. So I would give it some time to settle so you can actually invest at a good time. But that is pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have Shopify in your portfolio or if you disagree with what I said. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.